taga USA, California. Woo! The heads up because we have a foreigner friend.
Happy birthday! Wala, isang ma-hail siya. Alam ko nung ma-hail subong kay Iya birthday.
Birthday ko mo, may angal ka. This one.
Of course. With microphone na yan.
Yes. As if dahil sa kabarangay, ang nag-attend sa birthday. Guys, thank you so much for coming to my birthday. Who gave this to me? Say something.
Say something, I'm giving up on you.
Say something. Oh, say something. I love you. Amo lang na.
The shorter, the better. Kuno.
For 4 years? For 4 years that we've been
For 4
together.
years, I love you lang. Alam mo ni.
Dogs, baby.
Say something. Okay.
May microphone kaya hindi gan host.
Say
Host, ma'am.
something.
Host.
Wait. Tutuin ko na lang. Can you pronounce this? Denier? Denier? Doesn't matter as long as it's so sexy. It's okay. Okay.
Kaya na, nagsang gift.
Sige na. And then, opening of gifts.
Wait lang.
May caption na.
Yan, girl.
Courage in chasing your dreams. Hello. Okay. Hello. Why is it like that? What's happening? Okay, kahit na wala na wala. Okay, what you say? Are you done?
Yun, thank you for the friendship we share, girl. Kahit hindi tayo always nagkakasama, pero I know na yun.
Naiiyak na siya.
Yeah, keep up your courage in chasing your dreams. I know you will.
I'm telling her that my nose is bleeding.
No, and your love
Di na tong bimpo
for
man.
your family and your loved ones.
My
Like,
family.
you are the girl who would stand and fight for your loved ones, whatever it takes.
Okay. Once again, thank you for the stocking.
Stocking lang yun, ha? No, nosebleed na kami.
Stocking pa lang yun.
Stocking.
At marami pang
Surprise!
favorite nila ako yung winning.
Yes. KitKat, parang kami, kinikitkat. Kinikit-kit at kinakat-kat ka. O hindi ah, kinikit-kit at kinakatkat. KitKat.
Thank you for the chocolate. Okay. It will add sugar to my body. Ganun na talaga ako kabahot. Thank you sa Victoria's Secret. This is my first perfume ever. Kasi hindi ako nagpa-perfume, natural smell.
Ano kayang sikreto ni Victoria?
Yeah, thank you. Magtatabi.
Spray na rin, babe. Spray, babe. Spray, babe.
Buto ako.
Spray. Para
Sample.
Sample.
Okay, for example, I'm the model of Victoria's
Yeah.
Secret. Okay.
Abe, ma-endorse.
Okay. For example, I know how. I was freelancer before.
Yeah. O sige, liwat na.
Hindi yung Victorian.
Victoriano.
Okay.
Bata.
Bakta
One, two, reaction.
Bakta Hector. Hectorina.
Okay.
Hector Secret.
Guys, if you feel so baho and things like that, all you have to use is
Hectorina.
Charan! Victoria's Secret! And that's the secret. I will spray, okay?
Hamot.
Ano ni?
Aya.
Can you smell?
Nagabindisyon ka lang ba? Hamot. Vanilla.
Oh,
Vanilla.
I really love this
Vanilla.
smell.
I'm coming home.
It's like my natural smell.
Vanilla.
Yeah. Okay. So,
Do ikaw, gid.
oh, there's a letter.
Oh, basa ha, basa.
Recycling with us. rito. Sa akin. Okay. Different naman kasi.
Te, March 1 na, March 1 birthday ko.
Let's see what is inside of this. Oh! Hindi ko na lang kontento. Napapahuan ka talaga sa akin. Ha? Oh, body shop.
Oh.
If you like body shop,
Of
I will not
course.
give you anything.
Siyempre magkanto ko, di gamiton kung nagyapon.
Shower gel. 2 shower gel. It means every time I'm with her, I smell so bad. So, 1 peach and 1 blueberry.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. Love you though. Thank you.
Okay. Love you, Mama Chup Chup.
Oh, this one.
Ay.
I like the wrapper. It's like shine bright like
The diamond.
like me. Okay. The letter 2 hexyl beautiful. Happy birthday.
Wala mo nakaginang beautiful.
Ah,
Okay. Ay, okay. Wala.
Okay.
Briefing mo.
Scarf na, no? Oh, shit! Tugnaw! Tugnaw, nilagit. It's so cold. Okay, I will read the letter. Cash!
Dear Ate Chara.
Cash!
Wala akong doon.
Why man yung noon? Ginago na
Pakash ko no, tapos wala.
Sige, ikaw, envelope. Sa Europe pala.
May cash. Uya, basa no, uya, basa.
Hindi na pala mag-uwi. Ang tagaan ka. 10% agon.
Dirham na.
Dara.
I'm just joking. Okay. I will read the letter. Kailangan ako na din.
Marcos, hawak. Dapat kuha ko ng charger.
Naka-side view ka.
Naka-save you ko yung ako.
Kasi wala pa.
Okay. You are a wonderful reminder of all that makes life enjoyable. Happy birthday, Agi Hexim. Duwagi, lagid ko, geng! Okay. To the brightest light in all over life. Hindi na touch. I was so touched. I know, right?
Touch! Bye, touch!
Mamid man. Thank you for the help. Ano nga help? Char. Always stay cool, pretty, and generous friend. God bless always, Sam. Pinto. So, this is your gift. Thank you so much. I will show you something. I will show you something.
May tutorial.
I will show you something.
Tutorial sa star kung paano.
Tutorial.
Where's the... Oh! Here.
Yeah.
May
I
papang-
see, I see. The happy man. Happy.
See?
Yeah.
Ang
Nami.
bastos nito. Thank you so much. I really...
Isok-suka na.
Later na lang. It's so heavy.
Kasi no na yan. My
And
goodness.
then, this one. Oh, shit!
Oh.
From?
Ano yan? Sulod yan naman.
I was supposed to buy contour, but you didn't really...
Really?
Oh.
You did it already. Thank you so much.
Ay, hindi mo galit. Nano ko lang.
Contour.
Nagamit mo na, ano?
Ha? Huwag pa nakita ko lang. Thank you. Favorite vida ng contour. Okay, my look for today.
My look.
My look for today is contour. You see, it's a bit darker here.
Hindi even.
Wala, hindi ba?
Hindi ah.
Hindi ba?
Ano
Hindi,
naman?
hindi dumitong ko na yung pulos.
Charot.
Ito ka namin, ging, ano ka namin, mga doko.
Kuya Manino, Sephora, wag
Si
ako.
Cora. Ay, meron pa.
Sephora, para sa mga taong may itsura.
Papaganda.
Meron pa.
Meron pa pa paabot.
Lipstick.
Lipstick.
Ano yung color naman? Ay,
Nude.
gusto ko
Nude.
pero may.
Nude. Try mo siya.
Na may ay cute.
Oo, namin.
Thank you, Wilma. Ginagamit mo na eh.
Wala ko pa na siya mag-try. Ano lang, gina-tester lang.
Well, thank you.
Ano ba? Lagayan.
Guys, therefore I conclude I smell so bad. You're giving me a lot of shower gels. Diba?
years of
dry
life.
skin.
How dry ka na ang
Years of
skin
dye,
mo?
Okay, 1 year. I have 2 here. Here. I have 2.
Amo ka na yung katigang.
2 and 1.
Tigang na tigang.
For
Dry,
dry.
pero for
For dry.
For dry skin.
Tigang ka na tigang.
And then, ano niya? Biotherm. Ano isa? Hand cream, ne? I don't know.
Depende man. May facial, may ano.
Hand cream.
Hand cream, may sa face man.
foot cream ko.
Yayamanin biotherm.
Thank you. Lipstick again.
Ay!
With lip gloss from Max Factor.
Yayaman. Yayamanin. Ang bag pa lang, yayamanin na.
This one.
Oh, it's so cute. That's so cute.
It looks like it has a hat.
Yeah, so I will put it on my window.
Yeah, or you can have it, I mean, on that, on this black, where you have the scent thing in front of the...
Yeah,
You know?
this is so cute.
Yes. Tig, alang gatindog yapon. Gabis kanta mo na wala tuslok-tuslok sa imo lawas. Tindog kag
At
yapon.
least, amo
Stay
na
strong.
kaktos, hindi ka magpasakitan. Di wala siya.
Oo.
You know,
Lastly,
Ay! Listen, no, nasa halin.
Oh my God, I'm so excited.
Ay! Dako, daan.
Open book na already.
Do you want to see? The effort is A4. What's this?
Oh, engagement ring. Charlotte.
Cute sa ribbon.
It's a necklace.
Ben, ang tao, Ben.
Pwede yung manin.
Maliit na bag.
Letter H. Thank you, love you. Message.
Wala na message. Hector.
Message.
H na siya para sa heart mong nahaktan. It means heart, Bauman.
H for para sa heart.
Heart.
Haktan means hurt. Oh, still the same. H means
For your heart na nahaktan.
hurt.
It's because
you should have a
Ah,
message.
wala na. Amo na ng message, heart.
pusuan.
Pusuan na kita, di ba? H for heart.
Girl,
Ay, inalipatan mo na si Maria
thank you
lang.
so much for the flowers.
Yun.
Girl, diligan ka na sa baba. Sinusugo-sugo. Ikaw yung guys.
Girl, kahit daw hindi ka madiligan, basta ang flowers madiligan.
Yeah, I really love pink. Because, yeah, I don't need to explain anything.
Sa lila pink, ah.
Yeah. Girl, thank you so much.
Oh.
I'm like a flower. I need to be watered every day. But, unfortunately, you need water.
So you're cactus right now. Chat, danay.
Pasyatahan ako dahil. Pasyatuhan yung ano, pansit.
Kagabi, para na magdaha.
Like 1:30?
Di ba? Ano oras ka nagbugtaw?
Like 9:30?